that's me. Here is Ivan, my model, and our friend DZ. I take some tools, and I think we're ready to start a haircut. Oh wait. Hello.
Are you sure about the short haircut? Are you sure?
Of course not sure.
What about your hairdresser? Is he good at it?
I'm not sure.
Think again. You have a cool long hair. Don't
Just spam. Again. So, are you sure about short mullet haircut? Of course I'm sure. Hey DZ, what do you think about that?
Let's do it.
Okay, let's start by getting a clipper and shaving the sides. And clean it up a little bit. Well done. Let's move on the second side. Pay your attention to the movement of the clipper from the skin to the outside. It looks like an airplane taking off. Well done. I take the central strand
Mention the line.
and draw a straight line. Now I take the strand from the right side. Find the short center strand and draw a line from it. And repeat the same on the left side. Now we have a sluggish flat top, or something like that. Well done. It's the same simple, just take the central strand, pull it perpendicular to the floor, and draw a line down. If you have the question how to choose this length,
Some things you just have to take on faith.
now let's take the hair on the left side from the central strand. Find the central strand and draw a line from the central strand. It's like in the top zone, but in a different plane. And on the right side we repeat the same. Now it's our job to round the corners a little bit. To do this, I take the top area and pull it perpendicular to the floor and cut it. However, I don't connect it to the sides so that it has a little length contrast effect. I do the same with the back of the head. And then again on the other side. Try to do it symmetrically. And of course, I draw a line on the banks. Now we're ready to enjoy the result.
I like it here.